Most people think yeast is only useful in baking. But did you know it can also become a powerful natural fertilizer for your plants? Let me show you how. Yeast is rich in vitamins, amino acids, and natural hormones that improve root growth and help plants absorb nutrients faster. To activate it, you don't need sugar or honey. Just use flour, a simple ingredient from your kitchen. Here's how to make it. Take 1 spoon of dry yeast, mix it with 1 liter of warm water, and add 1 spoon of flour. Stir it well and let it sit for 1 to 2 hours. The starch in flour helps activate the yeast naturally. After that, pour it around the base of your plants. You'll see stronger roots, greener leaves, and even faster flowering. Use this homemade yeast fertilizer once every 2 to 3 weeks. It's simple, eco-friendly, and made with just yeast and flour, 2 things you already have at home.